This is a guide on how you can change your video quality settings on Netflix. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open Netflix. After that, on this page, you have to click on My Netflix, which is in the bottom right section of your screen, that button. Okay. After that, this page will open up. This is your profile. Click on the three bars on the top right section of your screen. And then click on App Settings, the second option. Okay, on this page, the first one is video playback, so click on it. Okay, right now it's on automatic, which means it'll switch between the video quality based on an internet connection and several other factors. So if you want high quality video streaming, you have to toggle this off and then click on maximum data. Okay, but remember, it'll use a lot of data. Okay, so if you're okay with that, click on OK. After that, scroll down, you will see another option. This is not streaming, but this is for download. Okay, so if you download an episode or a movie or whatever on Netflix, you can choose if you want to download the video in standard quality or in high quality. Standard quality uses a bit less storage, whereas the high quality videos and movies or web series or episodes will take a little more storage. Okay, so if you're okay with that, click on high, and that's it. That's how you change the video streaming quality on Netflix.